When NASA first detected three IATLAs, it wasn't treated like a comet or an asteroid or even a random visitor passing through space. The early readings were so strange. Some insiders claim the initial report didn't even reach the public channels right away. This object appeared instantly, bright, controlled, and traveling with a precision that felt engineered, not natural. Atlas, NASA's threat detection system, flagged the object because its light signature was too smooth. No flickers, no rotation, no fragmentation, just a perfect steady pulse, like a beacon, like something broadcasting its presence. And that alone made scientists stop everything. Within hours, observatories worldwide tried to track it. That's when things got even stranger. 3I Atlas wasn't just moving fast, it was moving with directional intention. Its trajectory shifted ever so slightly, as if it were correcting its path. Not drifting, not tumbling, but adjusting. Some researchers whispered the word nobody is supposed to say in astronomy: artificial. Because objects don't enter from interstellar space with this level of precision, unless something or someone is guiding them. So the real story of 3I Atlas doesn't begin with a comet or a rock. It begins with a question NASA still wants to answer directly. Did we just detect a ship? As scientists continued tracking 3I the first major red flag appeared. It wasn't reacting to gravity the way a natural object should. Instead of following a predictable curve, it made a subtle but deliberate shift, the kind of maneuver you'd expect from a guided craft making a course correction. When astronomers replayed the data, they noticed something chilling. The speed of 3IATLAs fluctuated in short, controlled bursts, not random acceleration, not solar pushback. These movements looked intentional, almost like a propulsion system activating impulses. And here's where things get even more bizarre. A natural comet or asteroid reflects sunlight in a chaotic pattern, but 3ITLAS, its light signature is almost mathematically perfect, like polished metal or engineered plating. Some analysts believe this glow isn't reflection at all. It might be energy leaking from a powered hull. Private astronomers began raising concerns online, posts that were quickly removed or mysteriously corrected. Several claimed they witnessed the object emit a brief flash, like a signal. NASA logged it as data noise, but the timing was too clean to ignore. Every new measurement pointed to the same unsettling truth. 3I Atlas doesn't move like a comet, shine like a comet, or behave like a comet. And if it's not natural, then the question isn't what it is. It's who sent it. In the first 48 hours after 3I Atlas was detected, something unusual happened. NASA restricted portions of the observational data. That move isn't normal for a simple comet. In fact, it usually only happens when data contains signatures NASA can't explain, or doesn't want to explain. Early leaked reports describe a repeating electromagnetic pattern coming from the object. Not random cosmic noise, but a rhythm, steady, consistent, and unmistakably structured. Almost like a message repeating over and over, waiting for someone to notice. And then another anomaly. Astronomers noticed that 3I Atlas slowed down, just barely, when approaching the inner solar system. That's impossible for a natural object. Comets speed up as they fall toward the sun, but this one behaved as if it was intentionally adjusting its velocity, like something preparing for controlled entry. Some researchers claim they caught frames showing a sharp, geometric outline, not round, not irregular. A shape too precise to be rock or ice. These images were dismissed publicly, but internally, they sparked one terrifying question. Is this the first confirmed interstellar vehicle? By this point, NASA wasn't looking at 3I Atlas as a comet anymore. They were studying it as an unknown craft entering our solar system, and the public still had no idea. As observatories across the world continued tracking 3IATLAS, one event shook researchers more than anything before it. The object appeared to react to our observation attempts. That's right, not just being seen, but responding. When a coordinated group of radio astronomers pointed their arrays at 3I Atlas and sent out low-frequency scans, standard mapping signals, something happened that no one expected. The object's brightness surged for nearly 4 seconds, timed exactly with the scan. That's not coincidence. That's interaction. And it sent a ripple of panic through the scientific community, because nothing in space responds to us unless it has sensors or awareness. Shortly after the brightness surge, 3IATLAS made a tiny but precisely measured course adjustment, the most deliberate one yet. Like it was acknowledging our presence or repositioning itself to observe us back. For the first time, astronomers privately admitted this object might be actively scanning Earth. Some believe the light surge wasn't just a response, it was a signal, a handshake, a warning, or maybe an introduction. Whatever intelligence may be behind 3IATLAS, it clearly knows we've detected it. And the moment it reacted to our signals, everything changed. After the first confirmed reaction from 3IATLAS, researchers began searching its signal for patterns, and what they found took this. From a scientific mystery to a full-blown technological threat, the object wasn't just reflecting energy, it was modulating it. When astronomers compared readings from different observatories, they discovered an identical repeating pulse buried in the light signature, a pulse that matched precise time intervals. Natural objects don't do that. Stars don't. Comets don't. But machines do. It looked like some kind of encoded beacon, broadcasting across space. And here's the part that had scientists whispering behind closed doors. The pattern appeared to reset every time Earth rotated into a new position. In simple terms, the signal was adjusting because of us. As if 3IATLAS was tracking Earth's movement, recalibrating, and maintaining a lock. Then came the biggest shock. A high-contrast imaging technique revealed faint, geometric structures along the object's surface, sharp angles, repeating shapes, and what looked like panel lines. Not dust. Not ice. Engineering. The kind of structure you'd see on the hull of a vessel. By this point, veteran. Astronomers, people who have spent decades studying the sky, began admitting, privately, that they had never seen anything like this before. And for the first time, they weren't calling it a comet or asteroid, because everything, the signals, the geometry, the behavior, pointed to one conclusion. 3IATLAS might not just be visiting our solar system, it might be studying it.